Lincoln Electric's updated Viking 3350 offers the best optical clarity among high-end welding helmets. This ranking means your image will not distort in any way. However, the color and light transmission are almost identical to the ZAB Sentinel A50. So, Optrel and Miller have a transmission advantage over the Viking 3350, which is worth noting since the 3350 is more expensive than the Miller Digital Infinity. Still, many welders prefer Lincoln's 4C technology, and they still enjoy excellent color accuracy. Lincoln designed the Viking 3350 for heavy-duty work, not just precision welding. The shell is durable and features a simple, low-profile design. This hood can be showered with sparks and molten debris daily and survive for years. Also, Lincoln Electric redesigned the headgear with a new K30-34-4 model of the 3350, making it more comfortable and easier to adjust. Just be sure you buy the new matte black version, not the old glossy version. The old helmet offered just as good color and light transmission, but the headgear was a pain for many welders. The new version also introduced an external grind mode button, making it even more user-friendly. If the Viking 3350 were less expensive, we would have picked it as the best bargain professional helmet. If you are a professional or you just want a high-end welding helmet with a and eye-popping low price, the ZAB Sentinel A50 is your best option. It's the least expensive professional helmet designed for heavy-duty use and precision TIG welding. Only the Optrel Panoramax and Miller Digital Infinity are better with color and light transmission. So, the Sentinel A50 does qualify as a premium auto-darkening welding helmet. The view quality is best when TIG welding. The bluish tint and crystal clear image let you see the tiniest details. You can easily spot the most nuanced burn and bubble or sense when your weld pool has poor shielding gas coverage. ZAB built every aspect of their Halo headgear to increase comfort and adjustability from the ground up. The Sentinel A50 matches the comfort level of high-end welding helmets from Miller and Optrel. But the Sentinel A50 is not well suited for people with large heads. Size can be subjective, but consider an Optrel helmet if you've had issues finding a hood large enough to fit your head before. The spherical lens gives the Sentinel its characteristic cool factor. But the lens is also responsible for increased light transmission and helmet's durability, and sparks easily slide off the spherical lens. However, these lenses are a double-edged sword. The internal glare is more pronounced, and replacement lenses are more expensive than standard rectangular lenses. The Yes Welder 900B we recommended earlier for hobbyists supports far more features. But, the Inventor by Hobart comes with a longer warranty. Still, you should know that the Inventor helmet is manufactured in China, just like the Yes Welder 900B. The Hobart Inventor uses a standard ADF lens that doesn't support true color technology. But, thanks to the large view area and quality ADF, the visual experience is quite good. It's much better than most inexpensive standard ADF helmets. Hobart didn't rate the Inventor for optical clarity. However, the Light DIN 3 state means that it almost certainly rates at 1/1/1/2, which is on par with many professional helmets. The headgear is comfortable but basic. An external grind mode button is missing, and there is no cutting mode. So, this helmet only supports weld and grind modes, and you are forced to use a dark DIN 9 to plasma cut, which is too dim for plasma arc. Other competing helmets support DIN 5 to 9 for cutting. Miller's Digital Infinity is an iconic auto-darkening helmet used by professional welders worldwide. It's more expensive than the Sentinel A50 and has slightly better light and color transmission. This welding helmet is rugged and can take a beating. You don't have to pamper it, unlike the ZAB and Optrel models. But, 3M offers even more durable helmets. The big lens provides the largest viewing area among welding helmets with rectangular lenses. Optrel's Panoramax CLT still provides a far wider field of view, thanks to its nose-cut shape, but Miller's replacement lenses are inexpensive and readily available. The most prominent feature of the Digital Infinity is its X mode. It triggers the ADF by detecting the arc's electromagnetic field. Since it doesn't rely on the arc's IR/U.V waves, it cannot initiate false darkening when flashed by the sun or lights in the work area. The X mode makes this the most versatile auto-darkening helmet because you can weld outside and inside and never worry about false activation or getting flashed. The Digital Infinity comes in many designs, and our favorite is Black Ops. But if you don't need a large viewing area, consider the Digital Elite. It has all the features of a Digital Infinity, but it costs less. The Speedglass 9100 is the most durable auto-darkening welding helmet. 3M designed it for mining, marine, transportation, and heavy manufacturing. If you want a helmet that can handle demanding work in rough industries, the Speedglass 9100 is a good choice. The included 9121 ADF offers excellent color and light transmission on par with the AZAB Sentinel and the Lincoln Electric 3350. But, it provides a DIN 3 shade, while AZAB comes with a DIN 4 rating and Lincoln a DIN 3.5. Still, the Speedglass 9100 costs about the same as the Optrel Panoramox CLT and has poorer view quality. So, the Speedglass 9100 makes sense when you need maximum durability. Optrel and AZAB couldn't endure the same working conditions 3M designed the Speedglass 9100 to withstand. The headgear is well designed and features padded headbands to distribute pressure evenly. However, some head shapes may require more fiddling to find the sweet spot. The helmet includes an external grind button and huge side windows. 3M designed the entire build to improve productivity in adverse environments. But, the 3M Speedglass 9100 also excels as a precision welding helmet thanks to the best TIG rating on the market. So, while expensive, you get an all-rounder hood for pretty much every job.